In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Thinkorswim Watchlist. Your watchlist is where you keep all the symbols you want to track, and updating it is quick once you know where to click. To begin, open your watchlist. You can do this from the left sidebar, where your watchlists typically live, or by going to the Market Watch tab along the top and selecting your watchlist there. Either way, you want to see the table with the symbol column, which is where all the tickers are listed. To add a new symbol, look for the empty cell at the very bottom of the symbol column. If you have a long list, you might need to scroll to reach it. Click that empty cell to activate it, then type the ticker you want, like AAPL or TSLA. Press Enter on your keyboard to confirm. As soon as you hit Enter, the new symbol is added to your current list, and you should see it populate with data. If you don't, double-check that you typed the ticker correctly. Tickers aren't case-sensitive, but spelling matters. If you need to remove a symbol you no longer want to track, it's just as simple. Click directly on the symbol you want to remove in the list to highlight it. Then press the Delete key on your keyboard. That symbol will be removed from the list immediately. If you clicked the wrong one, just stop and don't press Delete. Only the highlighted row will be removed. On some keyboards, especially laptops, you may need to use the Delete or Backspace key that functions as Delete. Now, if you'd like to replace one stock with another without changing the rest of your list, you can edit a symbol in place. Click on the existing ticker you want to change so it becomes editable. Type the new ticker right over it, then press Enter to confirm. This is perfect when you want to swap out a position you're no longer tracking for a new idea, and it saves you the extra step of removing and then adding. A few quick tips as you work. Make sure you're editing the correct watch list if you maintain more than one, since changes apply to the list you currently have open. Take a moment to confirm each symbol after you press Enter by glancing at the quote or company name that appears, which helps catch typos. And if you don't see the symbol column, ensure you're looking at a watchlist view, not a separate gadget or a different tab layout. That's all there is to it. Open your watchlist, add by typing into the empty row, remove with Delete, and replace by typing a new ticker over the old one and pressing Enter.